Everybody, welcome back to my habitat. Today we're going to be planting up this structure. Now I got this from a neighbor. She's about to move, so she was so gracious and decided to give us a few of these kind of metal decorative garden things that she had. So very grateful to that. I believe this might have been something to like store things in the garden. I'm going to use it to plant things up, but in order to do that I have to put some sort of mesh around here, and for that I have landscape fabric. So I'm just going to make a little compartment in there, and that's the first thing we're going to do. For the plant that I'm actually going to be putting in the structure, I have 2 English ivies and, of course, a petunia just to sit right in the middle to give a little bit of color. Move those so you guys can see. I'll put this one over here. Since this is a shallow structure, I'm going to have to tease the roots a little bit. Beautiful little petunia. Come on, get out. There we go. I love how this turned out. It was such a quick little craft. And you know what? It's going to take up so much room, and I think I have the perfect spot for it. Let's go hang it up, and then we'll show you. Okay. Love where this ended up. Now, I can't wait for this to continue growing throughout the season. Hopefully this ivy will just spill down and hopefully also trail up a little bit. I'll have to train it. It's also the perfect spot. Now, right beneath me is the shade garden. And I was kind of thinking whenever I did this video earlier in the spring that something was missing from this area up here. And I think this filled the spot. I think this is this brings some color here, just some extra greenery and texture to what otherwise is just a white wall. I also went for not a permanent solution for hanging these up. I just stuck on, cleaned the wall here and stuck on these 2 outdoor non-permanent hooks to hang this off of, because next year we're not sure what we're going to be putting here. I'm thinking maybe a clematis up here for next year. I want to thank you guys for watching. Till next time, stay planting.